Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your scuba gear business. I have a store near beach where I give rented scuba gears. Because of that, I get a lot of query on WhatsApp about rented details, return policies and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. It automates your tasks and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot for scuba gear business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to the customer inquiries, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. As you can see, I have already created a chatbot for scuba gear inquiry in Pabbly Chat. Let me show you how it works. For that, I will open my WhatsApp web and send a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have sent my key message, I got a response reply which says that, welcome to Pabbly Scuba Gear Shop. How can I assist you today? And with that, I got 3 action buttons as well. As I wanted to rent my scuba gear, I will select rent scuba gear option. As soon as I selected that option, I got the basic information about the renting process. And with that, I have an action button as well which says need help. I will click on this and they have given me a response reply that their customer team will contact me in average 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, this chatbot is responding me within seconds, which made my customer experience so much better, and that too without any manual work. This is the power of WhatsApp chatbot. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free, but as I already have my account with Pabbly, I will click on sign in. As soon as I will click on sign in, I will be on the all app page. Here I can see there are 7 different applications of Pabbly. But today I'm working with Chatflow. I will click on access now button. After clicking on access now button, I will be redirected to the dashboard page. It is a page where you can add, manage all your WhatsApp numbers from one place. And to add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on add WhatsApp number that is present on the top right corner. To know how to add your WhatsApp number in detail, we have created a separate video that will guide you further. Other than that, we have many more features available in the dashboard. Let's see each feature one by one. Below the dashboard option, there is an inbox option where you can view and reply all messages from one place without switching any WhatsApp app. After the inbox option, we have contact section where you can create and manage all new contacts. After contact section, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After team queue section, we have template section where you can create templates and give your chat a personalized touch. After template, we have broadcast section where you can send bulk message to your contact list using personalized template. Below the broadcast option, we have Flow. Flow is a powerful tool to create chatbots. After that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. To know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, I will start making my flow. For that, I will click on Flow option. And to make a new flow, I will click on Add Flow button that is given on the top right corner. As soon as you click on the Add Flow button, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see a window is opened which named as Flow Start. In this window, you can see there are 3 features: keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature one by one. Choose template is an option where you can choose your created template to give your chat a personalized touch. After that, there is a regex section. Regex is a special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. After regex option, we have keywords. After regex, we have keywords. Keywords is a trigger message that your customer will enter while starting a conversation. After knowing all three basic features, we have to give a meaningful name to our chat. As we are creating this chatbot for Scuba Gear, I will give my flow name as Scuba Gear Bot. After giving a meaningful name, I will start making my flow. For that, I will enter a regex that identify what my customer is trying to say. After entering the regex, I want my customer to get a message. For that, I will select text button from the message section, drag and drop this button over here and connect with my flow start. Here, I will enter my welcome message, example this, and with that, I will select my action button by clicking on add button option. For example, rent scuba gear. I will add one more action button similarly. And for the third action button, I will enter store location. And for each action button, I want to give a separate message. Like for the rented scuba gear, I want to give a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. And after that, I will enter a message which will give the basic detail about the rented scuba gear. And similarly for return gear, I will again drag and drop this option and select the text button. And here also I'm going to enter my message like this. And for the store location, I will again drag and drop this option and select the text button and enter the store location with the opening and closing time. With that, I also wanted to add an action button on each of the message. I will click on add button option and write need help. Similarly, here also I'm going to write need help, and on the store location also I'm going to add need help action button. And after that, for need help button, I will add a text message, example this, and I will going to connect all my need help button with the similar message. And with that, I have created my amazing chat flow for my scuba gear business. Don't forget to save your file. As you can see, I got a message, flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.